Lumagits.
Ano ba yung ginagawa mo?
Method of joints.
Alam mo ba? May chilling tayo may connection sa engineering concept na
Tulad ng trust, ang bawat rib ng payong ay tumatanggap ng load at ipinapasa ito sa central joint. Kung walang balance sa mga forces na ito, maaaring mabilis mabali ang iyong payong.
Na-apply din pala sa bahay yung method of joints.
Ang bubong ng isang gusali ay karaniwang suportado ng mga truss na binubuo ng magkakaugnay na members. Kapag umuulan o humahangin, ang bigat at pwersa ay dinadala ng roofing materials at ipinapasa sa mga joint ng truss. Dito pumapasok ang methods of joints. Sa pamamagitan ng pagsusuri sa bawat joint at pagtiyak na balanse ang pwersa sa horizontal and vertical na direction, nalalaman natin kung alin sa mga member ang nasa tension at alin ang nasa compression. Mahalaga ito dahil dito natin nasisiguro na kayang pasanin ng bawat bahagi ng truss ang load ng hindi bumibigay ang kabuuang bubong. Sa madaling salita, ang methods of joint ang nagbibigay ng katiyakan na ligtas at matibay ang ating mga bubong.
sa bridge.
Guys, doon pala na-apply yung method of joints. Pwede turuan mo na lang kung paano pag-ito.
Sige, walang problema.
Here are demonstration of how to apply the method of joints to solve a truss problem. So here we have a truss and one applied force and 200 newtons and simply supported all of the members, and all of the truss are 1 meter long, and so that all these triangles are going to be equilateral and all of the angles are 60 degrees. First step, find the reaction at A and E using the moment. Summation moment equals 0. Let's start begin moment at A. Summation moment at A counterclockwise positive equals negative 200 with the moment arm of 1.5 plus EY with the moment arm of 2 equals 0, and simplify the negative 200 times 1.5 equals negative 300 plus EY times 2 equals 0, and transpose magiging EY 300 over 2, and divide lang yung 300 sa 2, and EY is magiging 150. And to get the value and AY at 200 minus 150 equals 50. And we need to draw a free body diagram for each joint and find the lesser unknown joint. And let's start with the joint A, which is siya yung konting unknown numbers. For the joint A, summation force y direction equals 50 Newton plus AB sine of 60 equals 0, and equals AB sine of 60 transpose yung 50 magiging negative, and equals simplify lang, equals AB equals negative 50 over sine of 60, and equals AB equals negative 57.7 Newton. For the summation force x direction equals negative 57.7 cosine 60 plus AC equals 0. Simplify lang, magiging negative 28.8 plus AZ equals 0, and transpose lang yung negative 28.8 sa kabila to 0 and magiging AC equals 28.8 Newton positive. For the joint E, force y direction 57.7 sine of 60 minus BC sine of 60 equals 0, and cancel lang yung dalawang sine na sine of 60 and equals 57.7 minus BC equals 0, and transpose lang yung 57.7 sa 0 and magiging BC equals 57.7 Newton. For the summation force x direction equals 57.7 cosine 60 plus 57.7 cosine 60 plus BD equals 0, and pag-plusin lang natin yung 57.7 cosine 60 plus 57.7 cosine 60 and magiging 57.7 plus BD equals 0, and transpose lang natin yung 57.7 to 0 and magiging BD equals negative 57.7 Newton. For the joint C, summation force y direction 57.7 sine of 60 plus CD sine of 60 equals 0, and cancel out lang natin yung dalawang sine of 60. Ang matitira 57.7 plus CD equals 0, and transpose lang natin yung 57.7 to 0 and magiging CD equals negative 57.7 Newton compression. For the summation force x direction equals negative 28.85 minus 57.7 cosine 60 minus 57.7 cosine 60 plus CE equals 0, and simplify magiging equals negative 86.55 plus CE equals 0, and transpose lang natin yung 86.55 to 0 and equals CE equals 86.55 Newton tension. And for the joint D, DE na lang yung unknown natin, and let's start with the summation force y direction equals 57.7 sine of 60 minus 200 minus DE sine of 60 equals 0, and simplify equals negative 150 minus DE sine of 60 equals 0, and transpose DE equals negative 150 over sine of 60, and DE equals negative 173.2 Newton, and compression siya. For the last joint, joint E, for the checking, summation force y direction negative 173.2 sine of 60 plus 150 equals 0, and simplify lang natin yung negative 173 sine of 60 equals 150 and plus 150 equals 0, and magiging 0 sila. And for the summation force x direction equals 173.2 cosine 60 minus 86.55 equals 0, and simplify lang natin yung 173.2 cosine 60 equals 86.60 minus 86.55 equals 0, and magiging 0 na po parehas.